Aloha YouTube, what is up? Untied Hawaii here, back with another sneaker video, guys. This video is gonna be like a sneaker haul video of like things that I picked up over the past like month. It's literally been a backup of shoes at my house recently because you guys do know that I did have that trip to Vegas and stuff, so a lot of things came in. Didn't really have time to film, but all of it is here now, and I'm pretty excited to show you some of the stuff that we got today. One of them you guys have already seen, which is like a sneaker grail, which was on a previous episode, but it's literally like a $2,000 to $3,000 shoe, which is very, very expensive. And then we also got gifted like these crazy sample Jordans from a good friend of mine in Hawaii, which I'll tell you the whole story about it. They're crazy shoes though, and I'm excited to show you guys those on camera today. But before we get into that, I do want to give a huge shout out to the sponsor of today's episode, Rose Gold and Black. If you guys are avid viewers of the channel, you guys know I love Rose Gold and Black. They are a minimalistic jewelry company that has been supporting this channel for a very, very long time. And all of their pieces like bracelets, necklaces, watches, which I'm wearing right here. Look at that. That's sexy. I love that. But yeah, you guys can see it better up over here. This is one of their pieces that they do have. And like I said, it's a minimalistic design, which is really, really nice. So I'm going to go with the guys like RG and B, who are a lot more affordable, but still look stylish and sleek. So that's why you guys should check them out today. They do have a lot of stuff on their website. So if you guys use that link in the description, check them out. And when you guys use that link in the description, you will get 20% off your order. And on top of that 20% off, they're still giving away a complimentary bracelet / necklace. So make sure you guys check that out. Anyway, I think it's time to get into the sneakers now, guys. The first one, like I mentioned, was in a previous episode. This one was a very expensive shoe. That's why it is from Truist, Hawaii. The best place to buy sneakers in Hawaii. Literally, if you guys are coming to vacation and stuff, you guys gotta hit up Truist. But this one is very, very crazy. It's a pair of Air Yeezy 2s actually, in a size 11. And we bought this as like my pseudo birthday kicks, I guess, in April. And this is the shoe that we ended up getting, man. You guys probably already see that I do have a pair back there. But the problem with that pair, and the reason why I don't wear it very often, is because it's like a size 9.5. And you guys know I'm a true size 10.5, so that one's a little bit tight. It does get sore when I'm walking around. This one will be a little bit better because it is a size 11. And dude, this thing is also in immaculate condition. So you guys can check it out up close. Again, Air Yeezy 2 Platinum. Honestly, this might be my favorite colorway out of the three. It really has been growing on me quite a bit. Like, the colors just play off of each other very well. And the design is very easy to match with like any kind of clothing and making it a perfect shoe. And dude, again, look at how clean this thing is. Bottom's obviously dirty. It's been worn, but still. Uppers, perfect condition. Literally no scratches or anything on this. It's one of the cleanest non-dead stock Air Yeezys I've ever seen in my life, and I really was stoked to pick this one up at Truist. Very, very happy with this pickup, and it's actually a good sign for you guys, and I guess a heads up, early heads up, because I'm gonna be selling a good amount of my collection. So that other Air Yeezy that you guys do see back there, which is not as clean as this one and a little bit smaller, that one will be sold on the web store untiedhawaii.com, and I will be selling that in May. Those Air Yeezy 2s, I'm going to be selling Travis Scott 1s, a bunch of other things in my personal collection. And I've had some of these shoes for so long, and some of them I haven't worn in like literally a year or 2 years at this point. Like, some just sit on the shelf and I'm like, if I'm not wearing it, I don't really want it, you know? I want to get something different, I want to get something fresh, and something that I'm going to be putting on my feet more often. So that's why the collection is about to get overhauled. But before I sell everything, as an early heads up again to you guys, I will be doing a sneaker collection video this Friday. So instead of a mystery box, we're going to be doing the sneaker collection video, and we'll be taking a last look at everything that I have currently in 2021. So check that out on Friday. There will be more information about like the sales and stuff coming out that video as well. Okay, so we can get into some of the other shoes that we picked up. This was an Adidas confirmed win, 350 Yeezy, and I believe this came out in like March or early April. It's been sitting like for a long time. But this one over here is the Ash Pearl Yeezy 350. The design of this one looks pretty cool. It has like a deserty, earthy vibe, which, I mean, most of the Yeezys do look like that now, but I kind of like the color contrast on this one. Pretty unique, a little bit more different than what we've been seeing from Kanye recently. So this is a pretty nice piece. And as you guys know, I'm not a Yeezy person, so the reason why I caught these things is because I usually sell these shoes for either retail or like well under retail for channel members. So if you guys are channel members, literally like every single month I drop shoes for cheap, and I usually have like a good number of Yeezys because for whatever reason I win a lot on Adidas confirmed. Never on Sneakers app, obviously, but confirmed, I win a lot. So I cop those Yeezys because I know people still want them. And honestly, if I can give it to somebody else for retail or even like below retail, that makes me feel pretty good. So especially for the channel members that support the channel, it's what I do. So that's why I got that one. And I also got this one, Adidas 700 though. This one is the 700 Kyanite though. I think I'm saying that correct. Kyanites. And I really like this one, dude. This one is pretty darn sick. It has a nice blue vibe on it. Check it out up close though. This thing is pretty sick. I always liked like this blue that Kanye's been using recently. I don't know why. It just stands out really nice on like his like milky white shoes. That sounds kind of nuts, milky white, but you guys know what I mean. It's like this like faded white. Oh, I didn't even realize there's like blue on the bottoms of these things too. That's pretty dope. Still not something that I would wear personally, so again, it's going up for channel members for either retail or below retail. Probably below retail. I always sell these things for super cheap. Okay, so that's half the shoes. This one was probably one of the ones that I was more excited for. A Jordan 1 box, as you guys know, one of my favorite sneakers. This one is in a size 10.5, my size, and it was a personal cop because this was the Jordan 1 that I was super excited for. The University Blues, I've seen them, they're dope, but the Hyper Royals were the ones that I was very excited about when I saw like the product images and stuff. And I really like, no matter what, even though I knew I was gonna catch an L on sneakers, I needed to get these. So I paid resale, guys. I took that L on sneakers, but I still had to get these, so paid resale. I think it was worth it because this is just a really sleek sneaker. Like, check it out up close, guys. It does have a lot of texture and a lot of color on this. I like it a lot. These like dark blue or purple laces are kind of nuts. I wouldn't put that on the shoe. We'll stick with the white laces, but other than that, really dope. I also like that the bottom is like this gray that matches a swoosh. Really cool on that. Has a lot of character on it and just one that I really wanted for whatever reason. So happy to pick this one up. Okay, and so for the last two shoes, they're actually sample pairs of Jordans. And it's really weird because I want to give a shout out to the person who gave me these shoes. They were gifted to me. But I can't because this guy likes being very low-key. He's literally one of the craziest collectors I've ever seen. Literally, this dude has like... I wonder if I'm allowed to say this stuff. I'm just gonna say it. He has like 4 pairs of Parises, maybe 5 or 6 now, a lot, in dead stock condition. Nike Paris Dunk Lows. He has a bunch of 85 Jordans dead stock condition. Like, it's crazy. Like, it's so insane. He's got stuff that's worn by celebrities too. I think one of these chains that was worn by Kanye he has, which I don't know, man. It really just blows my mind what this guy does. He's really cool, but yeah, shout out to you, buddy, if you're watching this video. I wish I could say your name, but I know you want to be low-key. Anyway, check this out. I know you guys are like, what the heck? That was so cryptic, but literally there's just some people that don't want to be on camera and they just want to keep their stuff to themselves. So I respect that. These are the shoes that he gifted to me. He's a good friend of mine and he knew that we had the boy on the way. So he decided to gift me these really rare Jordan 1 kid shoes. They're very rare because of the fact that they are samples. Like, I haven't even seen this stuff before, but if you guys are sample people, then you'll know exactly what I'm showing you. This is the kind of stuff that you can expect in sample pairs. It's like sample tags, which again, you can kind of see it has like all of these like dimensions and stuff, has like all of these crazy like stats and stuff. And also obviously for the shoe itself, which is kind of cool. Check this thing out. It literally is like a Velcro sneaker that you can pull up. You guys can see on the inside lining with all samples that it does say sample. I hope that camera's catching that, which is literally very cool to think about because, I mean, my boy that's going to be born soon, he's going to be wearing some samples on his feet. Like, that's pretty crazy to think about, dude. And these are really nice. Kid shoes, I realize, are very hard to find. And sample ones, which are unique colorways, it makes it even better, dude. That's pretty crazy to think about. The other shoe that he did gift me is this one over here. I don't know kid shoes. I'm probably going to have to start learning about it, but it's pretty crazy. You guys can see it under the camera over here, too. It does show MJ23 on the side. And it has like kind of like a galaxy vibe on the shoe. Literally these go for hundreds of bucks even though they're kid shoes because they are samples. So it was just really nice, you know, that he gifted them to me. There's just really good people in my life, which I'm very thankful for. That it really does humble me, and it's just very cool to see like people are like nice like this. So shout out to you, buddy. Love you for this, and my kid will definitely love these as well. Anyway, that is actually it for the sneakers in today's video, guys. Pretty cool stuff in here again today. Literally like thousands and thousands of dollars worth of shoes that we saw, and there's definitely gonna be a lot more pickups coming up in May, so stay tuned on these episodes. But anyway, thank you guys so much for watching this episode. Don't forget to hit that like button if you guys enjoyed seeing these crazy shoes, and until next time, guys, stay humble, stay blessed, take care, and I will see you on the next episode. Aloha, shoots.